All right, good morning. Let's see what's going on today. So here what we do is we talk about trading liquidation. Typically I look at Bitcoin. Of course, Ethereum has got a lot of liquidation today. 24 hours REKT is sitting really high today, so that's 1.7 billion-ish. I'd say that normal is about 3 to 400 million, so this is certainly a large crash in terms of the cryptocurrency market. Okay, so when we're looking at liquidation, what I'm doing here is I'm looking at CoinGloss, right? And the theory is that once a lot of open interest is forming, then that kind of acts as a magnet, right? So we've been seeing a lot of open interest coming in here, right? And so this is just the 21st, so just 24 hours back. And this open interest here is signaled by the kind of increasingly yellow side of things. That's all forming underneath because of a lot of bullish sentiment that was coming out just because of a return back to 117,000. And at this point here, we'll just say that we're about to enter a trade here. You can see it's pretty empty above and there's quite a lot below, right? So as a liquidation trader, what you're looking for is for Bitcoin to follow the direction that kind of wrecks the most people. And clearly at this point here, you have all of this and none of this. So the direction of Bitcoin was to go south indeed. And it cleared those people out. Okay, so now stepping in here, we're seeing it kind of empty again above what's going on here. I mean, maybe a few positions here are being created on the shorts. However, the majority, again, people taking an opportunity to buy the dip, whereas in reality, I guess the dip was not finished. And a lot of open interest here for long positions. And actually, Bitcoin went real south as of last night. And we can see it really cleared out this entire stack here. Okay, so here we are. What about right now? What is the sentiment? Well, actually, people have gone long again because, buying the dip is certainly what people look for, which has opened up another opportunity for Bitcoin to go even more south, actually. So, I mean, to see something below 111,600 wouldn't be that surprising. Well, anyway, we'll see if this gets cleared out or if this whole stack down here gets cleared out, which is kind of the scary but realistic scenario here. So we could be seeing as low as 110,000 on Bitcoin, where it currently sits at around 112.5. Okay, so what's the opposite side of this? So of course, looking both directions here. On the bullish side, where of course a lot of people that are in cryptocurrency want to see the bullish side come out. We do have some shorts that are forming around here at 113, 114. And if we get to that point, then we can start really considering all of these ones up here, right? So if we get to 117,000, there's going to be a large amount of liquidations that occur there. And actually, that's just at the start as well. So you can see all of this cluster that's happening above it. So, that's actually, a pretty bullish indication should there be an upturn in Bitcoin. And I think that, once it breaks 117, we might even see all of this cleared all out, all the way up to 119. So anyways, at the moment, I'd say that we're kind of we finished clearing out a majority of the long positions anyways. So there's, let's look right where we are here. Okay, so we're here. Is there more up here or is there more down here? Well, it's pretty easy to take out this little wick here. So that might still happen. But overall, I'd say that there's more to take in that direction, looking at the bigger thing. So from 112 through to 119, a lot is going on there. Between 111 down to 108, let's say, is bottom. There's not really that much to be taken. Maybe a little tuft here. So, I guess how do we read this for trading purposes? Well, this is a super buy position here. And I guess you got like maybe some resistance coming in here. But then, I think that you can also hope to clear out this stuff here. So anyway, that's liquidation trading. We've already seen like a large amount of people get wrecked over the past 24 hours. So maybe it is a buy the dip kind of time. I'd say that, you know, this is probably not too much in terms of like the big scheme of things. 65 million compared to 1.6 billion, which was basically ripped out over this period here. But that similar kind of like size of wreckage will happen above. So I'll let you make your own decision about that and which way you want to go. I don't think it's necessary to really time the market that perfectly in this situation, given if you have like a 1 month kind of outlook, I'd say that this is what you're looking at in terms of liquidation trading. All right, have a good day, everybody.